Hello my dear students. Today we are going to study a new chapter, that is the souvenir. Now souvenir is nothing but a reminder which we get from our places which we visit. मतलब if I am visiting a new place, imagine if I have gone to Mahabaleshwar or Mathera. Yes, from there I am bringing some gifts as reminder, as my memory that yes, on this particular date I had been to Mahabaleshwar and वहाँ से एक यादगार चीज, yes, यादगार चीज कुछ लाना, that is called as souvenir. Okay, page number 24, 2.2, the souvenir. With the tip of her nose pressed to the window of the space shuttle, Siley sat gazing at the view outside for so long, still she didn't seem to be contented. Now here the story is about a small girl, Siley. She is going to moon for picnic. Just imagine, yes? And so she is just seeing and enjoying the view. She had read the description of this view several times before and had seen this scene on the video too. So she had just heard about the experience, right? उसने सुना है, फिर videos देखा है, but now she is experiencing it for real. But this was different. Reading the pictures, descriptions was one thing. Watching the pictures and videos captured by camera was another. Read करना ठीक है, pictures देखना वो भी ठीक है, but getting an opportunity to view that amazing panorama with your own eyes, being present physically right in the midst of it, was indeed an out of the world experience. Pictures देखना, सुनना वो सब ठीक है, but in reality if I am experiencing that, then it is out of the world experience, topmost experience, extraordinary experience. No matter how long she sat gazing, her awe and wonder did not seem to abate. The awe and wonder, she was very surprised. Awe and wonder means surprise. And abate is decrease. मतलब उसका वो surprise क्या कुछ कम नहीं हो रहा था. It was not abating. It was not getting decreased. The earth gradually appeared to get smaller and smaller in the sky. That means they are reaching the moon. The azure blue sky was now looking jet black. Azure is clear. So the clouds had disappeared. The stars were shining bright. Children, just imagine what will happen if you are visiting the moon. Okay, so if you just imagine, you will understand. This trip to the moon was exorbitantly expensive, very expensive, बहुत costly था. But still Siley's mother had sent her on the trip. फिर भी उसकी मम्मी ने उसको ये पिकनिक पे भेजा. In our childhood, we would not even think of such long trips. The longest trip meant going to Europe. तो मम्मी बोल रही हमारे टाइम पे तो सबसे बड़ा पिकनिक ट्रिप था to go to Europe. If you are getting this opportunity, make the most of it, said mommy. So Siley's mother is saying, if you are getting the opportunity, then you should go and visit. Oh mommy, Neha's grandmother was saying that in their childhood, the longest trip for school children used to be up to Delhi or Kolkata. तो वो बोल रहे अरे मम्मी, मेरी फ्रेंड की ग्रैनी तो बोल रही थी कि सबसे दूर ट्रिप उनका कोलकाता या दिल्ली था. It seems so funny, isn't it? Said Siley laughing. Remembering the incident made her laugh even now. So she was just sitting in the space shuttle. तो वो सब सोच के उसको हंसी आ रही थी. Now the shuttle was getting closer to the moon. उनका जो rocket है वो पास जा रहा था. Then it started orbiting the moon, moving in circles. In every 32 minutes, the shuttle completed one revolution around the moon. तो उसका जो shuttle है, जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मोड है, वो 32 मिनट्स में पूरा घूम के आता था मून से. लाइट एंड डार्कनेस फॉलोड ईच अदर इन क्विक सक्सेशन. इमीडिएट में लाइट आता था, डार्कनेस आता था. द डोम शेप्ड सेटलमेंट्स ऑन द मून which resembled the igloos of the Eskimos were now visible. Dome shaped means you all know like this. So it was the settlements. यहाँ पे Eskimos जो शटल है वो मून में लैंड हो गया. The door of the shuttle was opened and the children were escorted through an airtight tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong base. तो वो शटल से खोल के वो बच्चों को लेके गए एक टाइट एयरटाइट टनल में and they reached the Neil Armstrong base. Means camp. The receptionist at the entrance to the base gave some instructions at the very outset. Very outset मतलब starting में ही, start में ही she gave some instructions. And what were the instructions? I welcome you all to the Neil Armstrong base to make your stay on the moon pleasant and comfortable. Now she is introducing and she is giving some instructions. I would like you to take certain precautions. कुछ precautions लेना जरूरी है. सोच लो. Listen carefully to my instructions and please follow them during your stay. So the receptionist is telling the students. You know that the gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 of that of the earth. Earth का 1/6 ही है moon में. Yes. Now in the earth we can stand because of the gravitational pull. But moon में उतना gravitational force नहीं है. So there they will just fly. In human settlements on the moon, a gravitational force equivalent to that of the earth has been artificially maintained. So human settlements वहाँ पे ऐसे बनाया गया है. And inside the human settlements, artificially gravitational force has been maintained, man-made, artificial. You will have to be careful when you roam around there. So बाहर जाने के time you should be very careful. The second point to remember is related to shopping. You all must be interested in carrying souvenirs back home from the moon. अब सबको लगता रहेगा कि moon से मैं कुछ यादगार चीज लेके जाऊँ. Please buy the articles only from the shops which are inside the dome-shaped settlement. यही जगह से लेना है. Dome-shaped settlement से ही आप कुछ भी souvenir लेना है तो लेके जा रहे हैं. Why so? Correct. Because in dome-shaped settlements the gravitational force is artificially maintained and outside it is according to the moon's gravitational force. There you will be assured of genuine articles. Do not buy anything from the unauthorized shops outside the settlement. I wish you a happy and pleasant stay on the moon. So these all instructions were given by the receptionist. Now they were having 3-day program. A jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. So they were on the moon for 3 days. According to the Earth's calculation, on the moon there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. So Earth के हिसाब से वहाँ पे 15 दिन day था, 15 दिन night था. So the 3 days of the trip were going to be part of the night time of the moon. तो इनका ये 3 days जो पिकनिक का था तो it was fully night time. One of the most important programs of the first day was, so first day what did they do? They had sky watch. First day what did they do? Sky watch. So observe the sky from the moon. On the earth it was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only faintly. Now if from earth if I see, the stars are not clear because of the atmosphere, because of the foggy. There was no atmosphere on the moon. Atmosphere moon में है ही नहीं. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. तो वहाँ से एकदम brightly दिखता था. The most attractive view was that of the disk of the earth. वहाँ से earth का beautiful disk भी दिखता था. Like this. In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. So moon से earth 13 times big दिखता था. So big. It was also 70 times brighter and bright भी था. So the earth light fell on the moon. This enchanting view made Saili and her friends aesthetic. So वहाँ से उनको earth देखना बहुत beautiful लग रहा था. They fell asleep feeling happy, excited and comfortable at the same time. So the first day went very well. First day program was Skywatch. Then the second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. So the second day it was watching the circus. Second day circus. Now one unique feature of the circus was the sitting arrangement. उनका एक अनोखा चीज था sitting arrangement. What was it? The spectators were made sit in the tent. Yes, tent के अंदर. Regular normally क्या होता है? हम लोग tent में बाहर बैठते हैं, अंदर circus होता है. But here the spectators, the audience, the viewers were made sit inside the tent, and the circus was going on outside. High jumps and long jumps were special attractions. Jumping. One gymnast jumped 27 meters high. बाहर वो कितना ऊंचा jump किया? 27 meters high. On both the days, besides the main attractions, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements there. So ये 2 दिन तो था ही उनका. First day Skywatch, second day circus. Besides these, they also had time to just visit the settlements. It was expected that the students should spend some time for self-study. So they should visit the settlements and what they have seen, what they learned, they have to note down. The teacher had assigned them the task of writing an essay on how they spent their time on the moon, which places they visited, what they observed, etc. So जो भी उन्होंने देखा, कैसे लगा, वो सब उनको लिखना था. Saili and her friends had travelled far and wide and had done a lot of sightseeing. बहुत जगह गए, sightseeing देखा उन्होंने. On the third day, the teacher took them to a place of historical importance. तो third day उनका historical importance है, कुछ बड़ा चीज हुआ history में. In the history of mankind, some important things happened on that day. 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. So it was the Neil Armstrong's place. Everyone was looking forward to visit to the historical movement. Now we all know the first person to land on moon was Neil Armstrong. It was the oldest place in the history of the man on the moon. The first footprint of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon land. Beside the footprint मतलब पैर का छाप, वो अभी भी संभाल के रखा था. And it was written, one small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. Man ने इतना मेहनत करके मून तक आया, one step, and it was great technology and great leap of mankind. इतना research लगा उनको. So the next attraction for the children was they were wearing the space suits for the first time. Space suits. I'm sorry. So उनको वो कपड़ा दिया गया. Then they were going to roam around and experience the gravitational force of the moon. अभी वो बाहर actual moon में जाने वाले थे, where the gravitational forces of that of the moon. Be careful when you walk, dear children. The teacher started telling the instructions. Don't run or sprint, you will fall. भागो मत, race मत करो, otherwise you will fall. The teacher was warning repeatedly. Who was in the mood to listen? As usual, the teacher was just giving instructions and warning. ये मत करो, वो मत करो. But who is there to listen? Once the children feel that they have to run, will they listen to the teacher? No. They hopped, jumped, and ran around. So they were just enjoying. Buy ornaments specially made from the stones on the moon. Very cheap, cheaper than those available in the shops in the settlement. Now, as they were moving, the hawkers were calling. ले लो, लेके जाओ, stones, precious stones, moon के stones से बनाया गया है, बहुत सस्ता है. At least have a look now how these hawkers are. They insist you on buying the things, right? उन लोग आपको pressurize करते हैं, ले लो ना, सस्ता है, ले लो. तो हमको भी एक we also get one. Oh yes, let us just see. The roadside shopkeepers screamed at the top of their voice, "Buy sister, buy! I am selling these earrings really cheap." Saying this, he approached साइली. साइली को बुलाया और बोला कि लेके जाओ. तो ये सब देख के साइली भी टेम्प्ट हो गई. साइली suddenly remembered of her mother. अरे बाप रे, वो इतने दिन तो अपनी मम्मी का याद ही नहीं कर रही थी. तो उसको थोड़ा बुरा लगा कि मेरी मम्मी को मैं यहाँ से कुछ लेके जाती हूँ. Tomorrow they were to start on the return journey. She had completely forgotten about her mother in the last 3 days. She felt terribly guilty. उसको बुरा लगा रे, मम्मी को तो मैंने याद ही नहीं किया. Buy these, sister. Don't think much. Cheaper and better. Take it. The shopkeeper was just insisting. बहुत अच्छा है, सस्ता है, लेके जाओ. Sally looked around. The other children had proceeded. बाकी सब friends उसके आगे चले गए. Come on, give those red earrings quick. So Sally made a hasty decision. हाई में उसने क्या किया? वो जो सामान बेच रहे थे earring, मून का स्टोन से उसने ले लिया. Sally pointed at them and said, "What's the price?" "Only 1,000 rupees," replied the salesman. Sally immediately paid the amount, took the earrings and ran to catch up with her friends. पैसे देके earrings लेके वो भाग के आ गई अपने friends के पास. On returning home, Sally told her mother very enthusiastically, बहुत खुशी से, happily, "Mummy, look what I have brought for you." Her mother picked up the earrings. She exclaimed, "Hello dear, how am I going to wear such heavy earrings?" अरे ये तो कितने भारी है. Just saying, what must have happened? Yes, she had bought it from outside the settlement. तो normal gravitational force moon के हिसाब से उसने खरीदा है. But in the earth it must be very heavy. Sally immediately realized her mistake. Sally had purchased the earrings in the field of moon's gravity. So moon के gravitational force में उसने ये earring खरीदा, which in the earth it was very heavy. So this was a very hasty decision. घाई में decide किया उसने, right? That is why we should not get tempted if others are just insisting us to buy something or do anything. We should be very clear and calm, and then only we have to do our things. Yes, children, is this chapter the Somina clear? Interesting chapter, isn't it? You can just imagine. We cannot go, but we can just imagine. Yes, children, I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.